Kikhubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features.
Hadian belami ke jengekran halor ke RR Colony. Kabala prinkala kerteng menta kum ke temrenja. Ke kerteng jong uba el hek ba ke kerteng jong uba sanbor sulairu kila paulang hakwe ke jing tho. Kabala pen I the Welfare Society jong ke RR Colony. Uba el hek ulada ban ayel ke jong jing pensyai. Bat menta pat kilat patai kubuar kila panjing syai sana uba sanbor sulai. Uba de executive member jong ke teriat hadas cik council hakatu kapur. Hak jengekran uba sanbor ulaong baka jingle jong hakatu kopor le tang ban chia pen bet ya jing bom ya smutu jingmut pedeng ka RR Colony bat ke dor Shnong renja haba keli halor ka kamrang ba Shnong baha RR Colony ru kibu lau jong rong ba Shnong uba sambor loong baka Jhalupara ka Paltan Bazar ka Keating road ru kidan lagi jong girang ba Shnong kumta ka RR Colony ru ka dan lau rong ba Shnong hendai uloong baki ya trei lang ringkat baka dor Shnong renja bat ya smutu jingmut baha bat ke dor Shnong.
Conflict, misunderstanding between the RR Colony and the Shnong. They call us by heck me we went, and what I could remember that we are trying to settle the matter amicably between the Shnong and the committee of the RR Colony. The Shnong, I think they have recommended, and from the discouncil they have given the license, because all genuine traders who possess all genuine documents, so based on the genuine documents, birth certificate, EPIC, all the documents that they are having, they are even having mutation pattern or so based on that the Shnong, I think at that time they have given the NOC, and accordingly the discouncil has issued the trade license to genuine non-tribal traders of that. It is a committee of the, it's a welfare committee of the RR Colony. It's a welfare committee. MPC, I am too headman of RR Colony. Kumbolong like this Jhalupara, Paltan Bazar, they are having headman. Jhalupara Village Council. Then Keating Road also, they are having the headman of Keating Road Welfare Committee. So like Auckland, they are having headman. Auckland, like that. So they are having headman of the RR Colony. Socially, they are doing very good, and they are having a very good coordination. They are working hand in hand with the Shnong for the welfare of all the community residing within that area. They are giving full cooperation with the Shnong. So that's why it is convenient, because they are having all the record. They are helping the Shnong. They record the census, the name of the resident of that area. Then they segregate the area in block wise. So this way, all information, name of the owner, name of the tenant, name of the shopkeepers, name in details, all they used to record and furnish to the Shnong. So they are working in collaboration with mutual understanding with the Shnong.